Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint-flavored makhana at home. Start by gently roasting the makhana until crisp, then pulse fresh mint with a pinch of salt, lemon, and green chili to make a bright paste. Toss the roasted makhana in a light spray of oil, then stir in the mint mix until evenly coated and fragrant. Enjoy warm or cooled for a crunchy, refreshing snack anytime. Gather everything before you begin so the process stays smooth and relaxed. You will need fresh mint, 2 cups of makhana, a small green chili, lemon juice, salt, and a light oil spray or 1 tablespoon of oil. Prepare the mint paste quickly in a blender so it stays vibrant and green. Keep a pan ready to roast the makhana and a bowl to toss the coated crackers immediately. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and smart mapping, so while you master mint makhana, your floors get spotless without thinking about it. It's a handy time saver and kind of fun to watch at work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a wide pan over medium and dry roast the makhana, stirring constantly, until they become crisp and slightly golden. Remove from heat and allow them to cool just enough so the mint paste won't wilt. Quickly toss the cooled makhana with the mint mixture and a light spray of oil, ensuring each piece is coated. Let the mixture rest for 5 minutes to absorb flavors, then taste and adjust lemon or salt as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.